doing a quick review on one of my favorite brands for cute and affordable jewelry. Welcome to Low Rent Reviews, giving it to you straight with unfiltered opinions. And I want to talk about this kind of indie jewelry brand. I know they're kind of big now, called Caitlyn Minimalist. I first discovered this brand on Etsy, but the pieces are also sold on the Caitlyn Minimalist's own website. And I have some pieces. One of them I purchased a few years ago, and then the others I got just recently. I think this is one of the best brands for really nice, timeless, elegant jewelry pieces that look more expensive than they are. This is one of my recent acquisitions. These are sterling silver Huggie earrings with this opal inlay and dark blue. These were on sale, and by the way, I will link everything down below in the description box. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased everything myself. I am an affiliate, but giving you my real opinion. I do really like these pieces. So I got these on sale. These are sterling silver, and I love Huggie earrings because one, when I tend to wear earrings with a regular post back, they tend to fall out and then I end up losing the earring and possibly the backing. I really like how these snap into place and there's no like extra metal pieces. I just love the jewelry. I think it's super wearable. So I love these earrings, just like everyday jewelry. I think the quality is really nice. I have not had any issues with tarnishing. Now, I don't wear my jewelry to shower or like all the time or while swimming. So I only wear my jewelry in dry conditions and not for like super long periods of time. But these earrings, I'm just really in love with them. Recently, I picked up my first tennis necklace. This is CZ, so it's not real diamonds, but the price certainly reflects that. This is an adjustable 16 to 18 inch tennis necklace, but it is white gold over brass with CZ diamonds. So this is not sterling silver. But one thing I love about this piece is this little heart detail that's on the end of the clasp. I just think this is so freaking cute with the little heart logo. Just so adorable. And I really like this piece. I think it's kind of timeless. They also sell tennis bracelets as well. So if you want the diamond tennis bracelet look without the price, this is a great option. And I've had this one for a couple months now, but super, super pretty. And everything goes together. So like this would, even though these are two different metals, these could certainly go together. So we've got the earrings and then we've got the necklace, just gorgeous. And I like that this is adjustable. So it can be more like a choker or, you know, hang down a little bit more. So we got the tennis necklace, we got the inlay earrings, and then this is the Skyy toggle necklace. This is sterling silver. This is the first piece I ever got from Caitlyn Minimalist, and I picked this up a few years ago. The packaging was very different back in the day. I did pay extra just to see what the gift packaging was like. So for $1.99, I got this little gift bag with tissue paper. So if you're looking for something for like a special occasion, holiday gift, this would be perfect. The pieces came in these really nice presentation boxes and it has a pouch. So the packaging is really luxe, but I think the prices are so affordable. Look at this cute little pouch. I think the branding of Caitlyn Minimalist is really, really nice. And again, great gift or a treat for yourself. Via these boxes, when I got my first piece, I think the boxes were like brown or black or something, but they've definitely stepped it up in the packaging department. Also, when I ordered from the website, I think shipping was free, so that's another good thing. And this piece I've had this is a 16-inch necklace, so it's a little bit shorter. I've had this for probably at least 3 or 4 years. No tarnishing, like it looks brand new. The only downside with the toggle necklace is that sometimes the toggle can come undone kind of easily. That's really the only downside, but it looks really pretty on, and I just like that pieces are very simple. Here, let me put everything side by side here. So yeah, love the look of these pieces. Again, not gonna break the bank, but if you're gonna gift this or you wanna get something as a treat for yourself, like this stuff looks, in my opinion, way more expensive than it actually is. So here's everything I picked up. I love everything. I'm definitely going to be ordering more pieces to add to my jewelry collection. I don't have a lot of expensive jewelry. I have like one Tiffany necklace and a couple other little things. Nothing super crazy, but this is my small collection from Caitlyn Minimalist. Love everything. I think the packaging is great. I'm super happy as a customer, and I'm looking forward, and they're always coming, they also have customized jewelry as well. So if you want to get a name, if you want to get like initials, they also have lots of different birthstone jewelry. So they have a lot of different really cool personalized options that would be great for Christmas, Mother's Day, anything like that. But these are the pieces I have from Caitlyn Minimalist. Again, not sponsored, just a really happy customer. And I'm always excited to talk about this particular jewelry brand because I think it's such a great value for the price. Anyways, let me know what you think down below in the comments, and I'll see you again here for another review.